Let's talk about reasons why your I-130 petition could be terminated. Hello, my name is John and welcome.
USA MONDE.
Filing an I-130 petition is the first step in helping your family member immigrate to the United States. But did you know that sometimes petition gets terminated? In this video, I will explain the most common reasons this happen and how you can avoid it. First, let's quickly talk about what an I-130 petition is. The I-130 form is called a petition for alien relative. You file it to prove that you have a family relationship with someone who wants to immigrate to the US. For example, a US citizen might file an I-130 petition for their spouse, or their parent, their children, and a green card holder might file I-130 petition for their spouse and their unmarried child or children. Once the petition is approved, the relative can start the immigrant visa or adjustment of status process. But sometimes the petition is terminated, which means it's no longer valid. Let's look at the reasons why this could happen. The first reason is withdrawal by the petitioner. The petitioner is the person who filed the I-130 form. Sometimes the petitioner decides they no longer want to sponsor their relative. This might happen because of personal reasons like changing relationship or financial situation. If the petitioner writes to USCIS or NVC to withdraw the I-130 petition case, the case will be terminated. Once the petition is withdrawn, it cannot be reopened. So if you are a petitioner, make sure you're 100% sure that you want to petition your relative before you start the process because it's a big commitment. The second reason is the death of the petitioner or the beneficiary. If the petitioner passes away, the I-130 petition is terminated automatically. However, in some cases, the petition can be reinstated if another family member is qualified as a sponsor and agree to step in. If the beneficiary, the person immigrating passes away, the petition is also terminated. There is no way to continue the process in this situation. It's very important to act quickly during the immigration process because life is unpredictable and anything can happen at any time. So don't delay it if everything is in order. The third reason is failing to respond to USCIS or NVC request. Sometimes USCIS or the National Visa Center, NVC, will ask for more information. This could include extra documents, forms, or clarification. If you don't respond by the deadline, your case may be terminated. To avoid this, check your email and mail regularly. If you receive a notice, act fast. Don't wait until the last minute to reply. If you're not sure about what exactly NVC or USCIS needs, you can contact them or talk to a lawyer or someone who is experienced in immigration cases. The fourth reason is divorce or change in your relationship. If the I-130 is for a spouse and you get divorced before the I-130 petition is approved, the petition will be terminated because the relationship is no longer qualified under the immigration law. If you are filing for a spouse, make sure your marriage is strong and real. The U.S. government investigates to make sure the relationship isn't fake or just for immigration purposes. Reason number 5 is lack of progress or abandonment. If the beneficiary doesn't take the next steps after the petition is approved, the case may be considered abandoned. For example, if it's time for you to pay the fees, like affidavit of support fees and immigrant visa fees, but you don't take steps to do that or submit required document, your case may be terminated. To avoid this, stay on top of deadlines. Once the I-130 petition is approved, keep moving forward until you complete the process. Now that you know the reasons for termination, let's talk about how to avoid them. First, you need to stay organized. So keep all your documents in one place and track your case status. Second, respond quickly. Don't ignore requests from USCIS or NVC. Third, be accurate. Double check all forms and information before submitting. Fourth, keep your relationship strong. If the petition is for a spouse, show that your marriage is real and ongoing. Fifth, act quickly. Don't let your case sit too long without progress. By following these tips, you can reduce the risk of termination and keep your immigration process on track. Thanks for watching.